Nancy Kowalik with your home sold guaranteed realty in Mullica, New Jersey. This is 30 things to do in Mullica, New Jersey in 30 days, day 20. Cherry on top, the ice cream place in town where everybody raves. Everybody raves.
Thank you.
There's so much more. It's a wonderful atmosphere in here. We're kind of standing in front of today's flavors, which changes obviously because they use chalk on this. But
yes.
I love, we were just hearing about a couple of them. But what else are we going to find when we come in here?
So of course, obviously our ice cream is our big thing that we do, and just, you know, it is all homemade. We have just, you know, a little area in the back. We make it all here fresh, so you're getting as fresh as you can get here with us.
Nice.
But some of the other things we do, I mean, we generally have some soft pretzels, hot dogs, things like that on the weekends, so a little bit of food items. During the winter time, we really push our hot chocolate.
Yum.
We just recently added in some candy. We just got a brand new case, so we're really excited for that new addition.
Nice.
So, you know, during the holiday season, obviously it's great to get some candies, but all year round, who doesn't like candy? Ice cream, candy, it all goes together.
It all goes together. Anything for your sweet tooth.
That's right. Yep.
And
pretty much
homemade ice cream. So that means you're not going to get it anywhere else, guys.
Right.
And that's what we love about Mullica.
Yeah.
Some very unique things here.
We do try and keep it unique. You know, we have two cabinets that stay the same, but we have one cabinet that's always rotating. So it's got different seasonal flavors. You know, in the summertime we have our honey lavender, which flies off the shelf. You can't keep it in stock. Wintertime, our peppermint flakes really popular with people. We have an eggnog flavor that we do, and of course pumpkin for the fall time. So
nice.
Lots of great rotating seasonal flavors, things like that. You always find something new that you can try here.
Something to come back for often is what we're hearing,
exactly.
Right?
And we sell pints and quarts, so you can take it home with you if you know, want to eat it at the fireplace in the winter.
So the whole family can enjoy
That's
it.
right.
That's
exactly.
awesome. Sarah, thank you for taking your time out
of
today. I
course.
really appreciate it. Again, I'm Nancy Kowalik with your home sold guaranteed realty. This is 30 things to do in Mullica in 30 days, day 20. Go make it a great day.